So in this particular website, let's say I want to add some widgets as I like. So in that case, what you can do is you can go around onto customize section for the site. And over here, you can see that widgets is an option. So depending on the different themes, you get different widget areas. For example, here you have the widget area for the Jetpack search sidebar and the footer area. Let's just take around the footer area for example right here and then click on this. So on the footer area, I can go ahead and click and choose a type of widget that I want to add. So these are just blocks that you can add in right here. You can also go around and browse all. And let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and add in a quote right here, just like this. So I can go ahead and type in a quote. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say hello right here, just like this. And on the bottom, you can actually see this widget right here. Similarly, you can go ahead and add in other widgets as well, such as buttons as well. So then you can go around, and if I were to go around, press sample right here, then you got a sample button right here that you can go ahead and customize out how you like. So that is how you can work around with customizing of widgets inside of WordPress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.